Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and buy and sell crypto on Revolut. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, download and install the Revolut application on your mobile device and then simply go ahead and log in. Then add money to your Revolut account using a bank transfer, debit card, Apple Pay, or even Google Pay. Then from the home screen, tap the crypto tab on the bottom menu. You may need to read and accept risk warnings and terms and conditions on your first visit. Then choose from the list of available cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. Then all you need to do is tap on buy, enter the amount you wish to buy using your fiat currency like GBP or Euro, then review the order details, including any fees, and confirm. So that is about it. Now, if you want to sell it, it's the exact same thing. All you need to do is open the app and navigate to the crypto section, choose the cryptocurrency you wish to sell from your portfolio, then tap on sell, enter the amount you want to sell, then review and confirm your order. The funds will be converted back into your chosen fiat currency like GBP or Euro and added to your main Revolut balance. There are also a couple important considerations like fees and spreads. So Revolut charges fees for crypto exchange, which vary by plan and platform. Revolut X generally offers lower fees. The spread difference between the buy and sell price also applies. External transfers are also there. So, depending on your region, you can withdraw certain cryptocurrencies to external private wallet. And there's also risk warnings. So, cryptocurrencies are considered high risk investments by regulators like the FCA. You can lose all your money, and if you are not protected, and you are not protected if something goes wrong. So Revolut offers courses in the apps learn section to help you understand the basic. I hope this video clarified a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.